Hi, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hey, how you doing? My name is Ash and it is October 2nd and my Ipsy box arrived today. I honestly love getting Ipsy every month. It is one of the best things. They do send this to me for free. I'm not paid to make these videos, but I love making them because I like getting free makeup every month. But anyway, if you're interested in signing up for Ipsy, all the information is linked down below. This is Ipsy and BoxyCharm combined. I have the box in the bag and let's just jump into it. So the theme is GLAM-O-WEEN. You know, October, spooky season, why not? And let's open the bag first. I'm gonna open all the products, see what we have, and then I will do a makeup look at the end. Alright, let's see what the bag is this month. Ooh, that's pretty. Isn't that so pretty? This might be a bag of heap. And there's a bat. I love this. I love this. Alright, let's see what's in here. So first product is the Lavado Alert Eye Cream for all skin types. Oh, I'm so excited for this. This is the Anastasia Volumizing Mascara. This is their new one. I've been wanting to get that. And we have a lip gloss from, I think the brand is Pink Lips. Cute. And then we have the Beauty Crop We Cherie Gripping Primer. Okay, and then the last thing in the bag is Bodyography Eye Pencil, and it's a wooden pencil and it is black. Don't much care for wooden pencils anymore because they suck to sharpen. Alright, not gonna lie, the last few Ipsy bags I've gotten, I have been disappointed in the products, but this month I really love the bag and I think I'm really gonna like the products in here. I'm super excited for that mascara. But now let's get into the box. I have no idea what could be in here. Like I said, it just turned October and I have not seen any spoilers. Alright, hopefully nothing's broken. The last couple boxes I've got, things are broken. And there's paper in there. Not that dramatic. Okay, first thing I pulled out is the Dermalect XL Lash Volumizer. I think this is a lash serum. This is an eyelash and eyebrow booster formula. I will be honest, I will not be using this today because I have another lash thing coming in the mail soon and I'm supposed to do a trial like 3 weeks on that, so I'm not gonna start this one. Ooh, this is the Tula So Pumpkin Exfoliating Sugar Scrub. I have really been into Tula products lately and this sounds wonderful. That smells like pumpkin pie. That smells delicious. Now I want pumpkin pie. I'm super excited for this, but I just washed my face, so I'm not going to be trying this just yet. I will try it in the future. And then we have an Earth Harbor product. This is Calypso. It is a vitamin C moisture elixir. Next is the I Am So Pretty Shadow Stick Duo. I think the brand is Formula. I've never heard of them before. But yeah, Formula Z Cosmetics. Ooh. Interesting. Alright, so you have a stick on one end and a cream on the other. Interesting. Ooh. Okay, and the last thing in the box is a palette from Ofra. This is the Miami Mini Mix palette. It looks like that. It has a little plastic covering. The names are on the plastic. Hate that, but the names are on the back. So you have 2 blushes, 2 highlights, and 2 bronzers. Cute. I haven't used Ofra in a very, very long time. Really excited for that purple blush, but I think this one down here would go better with the eye pencil. So let me take a second to gather my thoughts on what sort of look I want to do, and we'll try some of these products out. Alright, so let's try out this Alert Eye Cream first. This is for all skin types. I'm just going to do a little bit all over. A little more came out. It has like a... oh, what's that scent? Kind of smells like a cucumber. It's very, very thin, which I like. I don't like super thick eye creams, especially under makeup, but I wish it wasn't scented. I think I put a little bit too much on because too much came out. That's sinking in. I don't dislike it, but eye creams are hard to know if you're gonna like it unless you use it for a while. Now I'm gonna try this gripping primer. I don't know anything really about the Beauty Crop. I'm gonna put just a little bit on. I'm gonna treat this like, what am I trying to say? Treat it like it's the e.l.f. one. It doesn't feel as sticky as the e.l.f. one. I think it has like a cherry scent to it. I can't tell. Since having COVID, things have been off. Alright, so this does say to let it set before going in with your face makeup, and I think it's gonna get a little sticky. It's starting to get sticky. Yeah, this says that it is a hydrating gripping primer and it's formulated with cherry extract and hyaluronic acid. It feels like it has set enough, so I'm going to quickly put on my face makeup. I'm using the Tower 28 skin tint to do my brows, and then I'll be back to try the Ofra palette. My base makeup applied pretty well over the primer, so I'm happy with that. I don't think it looks any better than normal, but it doesn't look any worse, and I count that a win in my book. So now let's try out this palette. Bronzer wise, I'm going to go in with this one, but I'm going to go in with a very, very light hand because that looks too deep for me. And I just have a small angled brush. This is in the shade Cafecito. Not normally a color I would go for, but it's not horrible, just not the right shade for me, and I know that other one would be way, way, way too dark. And take it a little bit on my temple, forehead, a little down here. I don't hate it. I don't hate it. Now for blush, I'm really liking this one, but I think I'm gonna just go with this one because I don't think the eye stick will actually go well with that. So this is the 305 blush, and I'm just gonna pick up just a smidge. It's pretty. It does kind of just blend in with the bronzer on my skin tone, but it's cute. Like I said, I haven't tried Ofra in the longest time. I think the last thing I actually used from them was the Nikki Tutorials highlighters. I'm gonna take a little bit on my nose like I usually do, and across the nose. And I'm going to go in with this highlighter. This one is Magic City. I know Ofra is known for their highlighters, and they've made some really great ones. So hopefully this one isn't too dark. It doesn't look like it would be, but you never know. Ooh. Yes. Really got blended out though. That is pretty. A little bit above my brows and on the nose. I'm going to go with my finger. I love a good nose highlight. I'm going to go back in with my blush brush and kind of soften that. I don't hate it. I like the highlighter. I don't know if I like what's going on this cheek. It feels like it's getting a little muddy. So I don't know if that's like the bronzer and blush, but the highlight, I like the highlight. Okay, so now let's give this a try. I'm going to start with this side. Shade is Shine On. And I'm going to try this, something like that. I'm going to try to kind of blend this out with my finger. I haven't used the shadow stick in a very long time. That's cute. I don't hate it. I'm going to take it here. My eye is watering because this is technically my third video that I filmed today. It's actually a pretty color. Very simple eye look. It's cute. Let's try out this metallic side. Zooming in a little bit better for that. So I'm going to just in the center like that. That is pretty. It's like a bronze with some gold reflect through it. Almost looks rose gold. I'm going to go in with my brush. Blend out that edge. That's cute. Just with that same brush, I'm going to dip into that bronzer that I used. And I'm just going to add that to the crease just to give a little bit more definition. Deepen it a little bit. Yeah. Alright, so I'm just going to take that highlighter that I used and put that on my inner corner and on the brow bone. Alright, so I'm going to go in with the Bodyography pencil now, and I'm just going to try to put this in my waterline. It's not coming off super black, but in this instance it's fine because I have a very bronzy look. I don't think I like this though. Like I said, I'm not a big fan of wooden pencil eyeliners. Alright, but I'm going to try the mascara now, so I'm going to curl my lashes really quick. And let's try out this mascara. I like the packaging. This is what the wand looks like. I kind of feel like there's not a lot of product on it, but let's see what one coat can do. Alright, so there is one coat compared to no coat. This actually doesn't look too bad. I think I was right. There wasn't a lot of product on the brush when I first pulled it out. But there's two coats. This is supposed to be a volumizing mascara. And it is giving me some volume and some length. Let me try it on my lower lashes. Okay, I really like that on my lower lashes. It makes me look like I actually have bottom lashes. Okay, so the last thing to try is this gloss. It's quite glittery, but it doesn't feel horrible on the lips. Not sticky, not a typical gloss that I would go for. I typically go for more clear. But this is what I have going on for the eyes and the cheeks. Let me go touch up my makeup. I might do something else with my brows, and I will be right back with my final thoughts. Alright, so let's break down this box. I want to first point out that the theme is it's GLAM-O-WEEN. This collection is really giving me more. I'm holding on to summer. I don't want it to be fall. Honestly, this is the least Halloween thing I have seen lately. And I've been at home, and at home has all the Christmas stuff up. So overall, I will give this box on a rating of 1 to 10. I'm going to give it a 6. This is the first month where I say that I like the bag more than the box. That's shocking. Granted, I am excited for the 3 things I haven't tried yet. So this isn't a horrible month, but it's not the best month. And I think the biggest thing is I'm disappointed that this isn't more catered for spooky season. But it is what it is. Let me know what you received in your box this month, or if you've tried any of these products and what you think of them. I will give a shout out to Ipsy and BoxyCharm for sending this to me. I am still forever grateful that they wanted to work with me. Eventually, maybe this will be a paid thing, but it is what it is. If you're interested in signing up for Ipsy, all the information is down below. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to follow me on my other socials. I'm artistryxashh everywhere, and I have my 2 book accounts listed down below, but those are just over on Instagram and TikTok, and yeah. Anyways, my memory card is now completely full, so that's awesome. But thank you so much for watching. I hope you have an amazing day or night whenever you're watching this, and I'll see y'all in my next video. Bye!